Greetings everyone, this is Donna Gilliland with a quick Excel tip. The tip is to help you better understand what the differences are, crucial differences I might add, between absolute and relative cell referencing and creating formulas. And I think that you will do much better after this video. And be sure to share it with colleagues that are struggling with the same thing. So that's what you're going to learn, understanding relative versus absolute. Such a crucial part to you creating formulas and being successful in doing so. I'll go ahead and go into Excel and start the demonstration. Let's start first with relative referencing because that's the default behavior of Excel. For example, I want to add up all the numbers for supplies for this 6-month period. Of course, the easy way, since these are all together, the numbers are, from the home ribbon, I'll simply double-click Auto Sum out of the editing group. But let's look at that formula. It says it's summing B4 through G4. Keep these two tips in mind that I'm about to give you, and then we'll finish this up. Column letters run horizontal across the screen. That means if you copy a formula across, then Excel will focus on the column letters and increment those column letters inside the formula because of relative referencing. And I'll go ahead and press enter here and then copy the formula down. The quick way is move into the lower right corner of the formula or to the cell, and when you get to the black square, autofill is what it's called, you'll have a black cross-haired symbol and you can just simply double click and bring it down. Now because of relative referencing, remember the original formula reads B4 through G4. Row numbers run vertically down the screen, which means if you copy vertically, which is what we're about to do, Excel is going to increment the row number inside the formula on the way down, which means this formula, this first one that says B4 through G4, on the way down, Excel's going to increment the row number and it will become B5 through G5. So just remember, rows run vertically down the screen, and if you copy down, then Excel will change the row numbers, known as relative referencing. However, if we come over and we add up these numbers for January, which I want to do, we'll quickly do that with Auto Sum. This time, the formula is going to be copied across. Let me open up the formula by double-clicking. Currently, it says B4 through B7, but we are about to copy across. Remember, column letters run across. So Excel will focus on the column letter when you copy across, and it will become C4 through C7. Watch what I mean. I'll go ahead and copy across using the autofill. I'm going to go back and open up the second one and see what it says, C4 through C7. Very important. Now there comes a time when you don't want Excel to increment a row number or maybe not increment a column letter, and that's where we need the $ to prevent that from happening. And going to another spreadsheet, I'll demonstrate exactly what I mean. This is a mileage report. I want to multiply the mileage of the employee by the mileage rate of 0.55 cents in K1. So I'll go ahead and type in the formula equal the first cell, which is Tom's number, B4, multiplied, the asterisk symbol, by K1, which is the 0.55. Remember what I said earlier? If you copy a formula down, row numbers run down. Therefore, Excel will make B4 B5. That's good. That'll pick up Donna's number. K1, though, will become K2. That will be problematic because on the way down, and it will grab K2. What's in K2? Nothing. So something times nothing would give me nothing for everybody else. So I need to tell Excel, don't increment row 1 for cell K1, and you can do that by putting in a $, and that makes it an absolute referral point. Now when I press enter, I would of course get the mileage reimbursement for Tom, but when I go back and copy the formula down, and I'll go back and look at Donna's number, open up the formula, see, it still maintains K1. It didn't become K2 because of the $. So if you're copying down and you want to make an absolute row number, use a $sign in front of the row number. If you're copying across and want to maintain the column position, put the $sign in front of the column letter. So I hope you found this tip helpful. I have more tips for you coming soon. And again, this is Donna Gilliland, and it's bye for now. Have a great day.